guys, it's Steve here, and today I'm showing you something I just bought. I don't know what to find about. Okay, so you see, this just looks like an ordinary pirate skeleton, right? Just click on the brand listing. Okay, so it says sold there. Okay, original listing. Okay, you wanna know what's special about this life-size skeleton? I got a rare model. And I just let it keep going down until here, look, let's take a closer look at the picture. Oh, come on. Ah, dang it. Why is it freezing? Look, I got a one with a button on its foot. But the mouth doesn't really move on it. But yeah, I got one with a button on its foot. Focus camera. But yeah, you see that little purple thing? That's the button. Here, look at it. Oh, wrong picture. Oh, wrong picture again. Yeah, you see there. It is very hard to see on this camera, but this one has a button on its foot. Ah, dang it, clicked out of it. Ah, dang it. Okay. But yeah, you get the point. This one is a really rare life-size skeleton. And you see, I actually got it for cheaper. I got it for $150 plus the shipping, so I only got it for exactly like $200. Okay, so here's the description. He has a switch on his foot to tap it for playing songs. Things can't touch this super freak. Sharp dress man, slow ride, and like range. Unless the rare model actually things can't touch this. And yeah. He works wonderfully, except for the exception that his mouth only occasionally sings along in sync with the music. And yeah, that's it. That's what I got off of eBay. I also got something else. I'm gonna have to make a cartoon. Okay, I also got this. Yeah, for all the Rock Hard Explosion fans out there, I did get another Duke plush thing. It's missing its sleeves and its hat, but I could care less about it missing its hat. I like it without its hat. Anyways, that's it. Bye.